Hey, I need to create Facebook ads for our business, and I thought I'd walk through the steps for anyone else who might be interested. Creating and managing Facebook ads can be a powerful way to reach our target audience, so let's get started. First, it's crucial to set up a Facebook Business Manager account. You can do this by going to business.facebook.com, https://business.facebook.com/, and creating an account if you don't already have one. The Business Manager serves as a centralized platform where you can manage all your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. Once that's done, the next step is to add our Facebook page and ad account to the Business Manager. This links everything together and makes managing our ads much easier.
With the setup complete, we need to define our campaign objective. Facebook offers several goals for campaigns, such as brand awareness, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, or conversions. For our current campaign, our main goal is to drive traffic to our website, so I'll select traffic. This means our ads will be optimized to get as many people as possible to click on our link and visit our website. Next, targeting our audience is crucial. Think about the demographics, interests, and behaviors of the people we want to reach. We can also create custom audiences using our customer lists or website visitors. Custom audiences allow us to target people who have already shown interest in our business, which can be very effective. For our campaign, I'll choose our target audience based on age, gender, and location, and then add some interests that match our product. For example, if we're selling fitness equipment, we might target people who are interested in fitness, health, and wellness. For now, I'll go with a daily budget. This way, we can control our spending more easily and make adjustments as needed. Creating the ad itself involves choosing the ad format, such as image, video, carousel, slideshow, or collection. It's essential to create compelling visuals and engaging copy, ensuring everything is high quality and aligned with our brand. Don't forget to include a strong call to action, CTA, like shop now or learn more. I have a few images and a short video ready, and I'll write some catchy text to go with them. The ad format should be chosen based on what best showcases our product or service and what we think will engage our audience the most.
Before publishing, reviewing everything carefully is vital. Double-check the targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, we can click Publish to start running the ad. It's always a good idea to preview the ad to see how it will look on different devices and placements. Monitoring the ad's performance is crucial for success. Facebook Ads Manager provides metrics like impressions, reach, clicks, click-through rate (CTR), and conversions, which help us understand how well the ad is doing. If the ad isn't performing well, we can improve it by conducting A/B testing to compare different versions of the ad and see which performs better. Based on the data, we can adjust our targeting, budget, or ad creative to improve results. For example, we might try different images, headlines, or audience segments to see what resonates most with our audience. Here are a few tips for creating successful Facebook ads. Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to better understand our target audience. Create lookalike audiences based on existing customers. Use retargeting ads to reach people who have interacted with us but haven't converted. And continuously test and refine our ad creative. Retargeting ads are particularly powerful because they remind people of our product and encourage them to complete a purchase. For further learning, Facebook Blueprint offers free training resources, and the Facebook Business Help Center provides detailed guides and support. Facebook Blueprint has a wide range of courses that can help you master the basics and advanced strategies for Facebook advertising. I hope this overview helps anyone looking to create and manage Facebook ads. I'm excited to see how our ads perform and optimistic about the results.